Introducing the 2020 GMC Sierra. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This strikingly handsome Sierra delivers full-size pickup strength and plenty of modern comfort and convenience. From its impressive towing and hauling capacity to its quiet, spacious cabin and tech-savvy connectivity, this is the truck built for today's lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, remote engine start, bed liner, heated rear seat, backup camera, keyless start, premium sound system. Serious strength blends with serene comfort in this modern spirited Sierra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.